I think there's something very unique about this place. The mission of serving people who sort of have the ultimate mission in some sense that drives everyday work in a way that I've not seen anywhere else.
This organization believes that the members are an integral part of the organization instead of calling them clients or customers. That's a great philosophy.
Obsessive is a good way to describe Navy Federal's culture when it comes to the member.
As a data scientist, I can use my technical skills in Python and working in the cloud environment to really impact the member. And that really helps me feel great about my technical skills and my ability to make an impact at Navy Federal.
So I've had some opportunities to work with IT Gulf Coast, which is a phenomenal organization for IT professionals, and actually have time off at Navy Federal to go be a part of the IT Wired conference.
Finance and fintech is a really exciting place to be in at this point. There's a lot of AI and machine learning involved in the work we're doing right now.
It's really exciting because we're effectively taking a lot of the data that's currently trapped in legacy systems and finding a way to get that data out into much more consumable, much more near real-time data hubs.
They are using the cloud, the APIs, the microservices, CI/CD.
I'm exposed and I'm focusing on a whole gamut of things. So example, we're looking at omnichannel, which is essentially a way for our members to go into any channel they want, to physical or digital, and sort of have the same experience without missing a beat.
Currently, Navy Federal is undergoing a big transformation in the technology landscape. Right now, it's really a good time to be joining Navy Federal because you can be part of that transformation and really drive that change.
When you're looking for your next job, maybe you want to consider Navy Federal. Maybe I'll see you sometimes on the corridor.